What's better than a tasty rum cake for the holiday season? This is part of the 12 Days of Christmas, hashtag 12 Days of Christmas collaboration. And this will represent the 10 lords of leaping, because you give them enough rum cake and those lords will be a leaping. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Alright, Chewy. He was my shoe chef today. Alright, go on down. You're free. Go play. Okay, so today we're involved in the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration. And I've already did one. This one, actually it's my third one. And I'm doing it's the 10 Lords of Leaping. And we made, when I say we, my daughter said, "Hey, do you need help?" And then came over and proceeded to make the rum cake for me. So anyway, we made a rum cake. And it turned out good. It's could have had more rum in it, but the flavor was excellent. And the cake was gone in 2 days. So. Alright, so we got our wet ingredients first. There goes our milk. We're going to do our sour cream. That's our rum. And then we're going to stir that. And the actual ingredients will be in the description. And then we moved on. We set that aside. We're doing our butter. And then we have to do our sugar. Well, we got to get the butter right. That's what these overlays are like. Anyway, there we go. There's our sugar. Mix that. And then we're going to go in with some vanilla. And 2 eggs. We don't mix them all at once. So there's 2 eggs. This is going to be a total of 3. That's our third one. And mix that up. And then we're going to our egg yolks. Crystal wanted to show off. Look, I can do egg yolks. Anyway, there's our egg yolks going. Okay, we're going with our dry now. There's our flour. That's cake flour, by the way. That's baking soda. No, I'm sorry, that was baking powder. There's our baking soda. Do a little mix. Mixy, and then you start pouring it in slowly. If you do it in 3, I think we did in 4 equal parts. And then you add a little bit of your wet, and then you mix. And Crystal's been making cakes for a long time, and she does a pretty darn good job with those things. We're always happy. And then you gotta butter this. She's like, you gotta butter it. You gotta butter everything. I put gloves on. You gotta butter everything, right, Crystal? It's buttered. And then she put flour in so it won't stick. There, just shake it up. And then put it in the oven. And there we go. Okay, using a knife, just kind of loosen everything up. And see, now here comes this. Pull it out. Pull it out. Come on, Crystal, get some muscles. There we go. Look how good that turned out. And now we're going to make our little glaze for the top. And then butter, brown sugar to get a little caramelization going. And then caramelization, I can't even say it right. And then our powdered sugar, our heavy cream, and then hold on, stir. We got a rum coming up. Come on. Okay, we had some vanilla too. Got our rum going. Come on. That's the reason I'm here. That was, what the heck was that? Reading the instructions. And, okay, we're gonna top it. There was rum. Oh, I think she put rum in the milk, so that's why it looked like that. Okay, all right, I'm back on track. Only thing I discovered when we did this, it didn't have enough rum. I think I would next time do a layer of rum to soak in to that cake beforehand, and then once everything pretty much was dry, we did some powdered sugar. And it's beautiful. Look at that.